Hello. Okay, looks like it's that time of the month again. Loot Crate. If you haven't seen one of my Loot Crate videos before, in these videos I unbox these guys. These boxes are from a company called Loot Crate, obviously. And inside them are random gadgets, pads, mugs, t-shirts, toys, gamey things, stuff that makes your inner geek happy. In all honesty, they're completely random, but I love it. Each month these boxes are centred around one particular theme. That theme is what governs what's inside these boxes. It's usually about 4 or 5 different things. It's near impossible to guess what it could be. And as some of you guys know, I'm still trying to catch up with my Loot Crate, so currently we're up to November, so this is November's box. The theme for November was Unite. I do believe this is the second Unite box they've done, so this is Unite 2.0. Every now and again, when Loot Crate do a theme that's particularly popular, they tend to make like a second one, like they had Heroes and Villains 2 as well. So I've not opened this box at all, it's completely sealed. I've had this box sitting here since November and I've been dying to open it, but I wanted to wait until I'm on camera with you guys so you guys can see me open it and you can see the stuff with me for the first time as I do, so you get the most genuine reaction. And it's more fun, really. And finally, I should point out what's going on my face. Every now and again I do these unboxings in a character makeup just to make it a little bit more visually interesting. This makeup is meant to be Locke from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I'll pop a link on the screen now that will take you to the tutorial that I did for this makeup if you'd like to know how to recreate it. Alternatively, the link's in the description bar below. But with all that said, let's open it. Ready? So I'm looking for the t-shirt first because they always come with at least one t-shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys see it first. Bloop, bloop. How's it looking? Please be pretty, please be pretty, please be pretty. Aha! Wait, what? Okay, I absolutely love the whole 8-bit arcadey style, but Voltron? A little flag's going off in my head. I know of Voltron, I've heard of Voltron. Yeah, I'm not putting it together. Why am I thinking Power Rangers? Why am I thinking of Transformers? I feel like it's a merge between the two. I really apologise. I don't think I'm particularly familiar with Voltron. I'm really sorry. It's a very pretty t-shirt, but huh. There tends to be a theme with t-shirts like this. If I get a shirt from Loot Crate and I don't know the show at all inside and out, I tend to save it for a little while just in case I get into that particular show. I would imagine that if this show makes a comeback I probably won't see it anytime soon. But if I don't ever watch the show, I tend to have these as my pyjama tops. So I think this may join my pyjama collection. Pretty though. Let me know in the comments, guys, all about Voltron, just so I can read up on this, just in case I watched it as a kid, because it's not ringing any bells. So not a good start, but let's see what else we've got. Bloop. We have a giant box. Aha. I should have said at the start, I don't know what Unite could entail, to be honest. In November, I mean, when did Justice League come out? Didn't that just come out? So we could have something Justice League in the box, I have no idea, but I digress. Box. Okay, so first off we have a pop figure. That's awesome. It's been a while since Loot Crate have come with a pop figure. They used to do it all the time, and then they started doing different detailed sets instead. But I started getting into pop figures thanks to Loot Crate. I've got like a little collection now, so this is always awesome. And this is for, that's weird. Oh, that's really weird. Okay, so this is for Overwatch. Now, this is very strange, very strange. This is kind of fate, because those of you that know me and follow me on social media, Twitter in particular, know that I've never played Overwatch, but it's always been on my list of things to get. I always wanted to play it on my gaming channel because it just looked like a really fun and polished game. And I know it's been out for a little while now, but 2 days ago I actually bought it. It's just been sitting there waiting for me to get a chance to play it, so that's a little bit weird. So as it is, I don't know who she is, but Widowmaker, she looks fabulous to me. But yeah, isn't that strange? That is a proper coincidence, and it's kind of made me want to play it even more now. So that's awesome, and I'll just show you the back as well, because all the other characters you can collect. This dude looks cool, the guy with a skull. What's he called? Reaper. Awesome. But yeah, so shameful plug. It's related though, so hopefully you'll forgive me for that, but I'll put my gaming channel on the screen now. As far as I'm aware, this game is multiplayer. I think that's the whole point of it. And I bought it for the PC, so if you guys wanted to play with me at any point when I do actually get this up and running, check my Twitter account, because I'll always mention when I've got the game up. But also, if there's any details I should know about the game, let me know in the comments below, because if the game is anything to go by how cool this character looks, this game is going to be awesome. I did used to really love the game Halo, and it does look relatively similar. I could be making a really rough connection there, but cut me some slack, I've not played it yet. They are cool looking characters. I might end up doing some makeups for them. We shall see. Okay, next. Oh, there's not a whole lot left. I think there's probably 2 more things left, so we've got this. Boom. So that looks like, I'm just looking at the camera, is that Power Rangers? Oh, that's funny. We had Power Rangers in the, not last month, but in September's box, I think it was. We had the DX box as well, and there was a massive Power Rangers set in there. Let's have a look. Actually, before I open it, let me just have a quick read, because I have no idea what this is. It just says adult collectible, not a toy. It always makes me laugh when they say not a toy. Of course it's a bloody toy. Let's have a look. I have no idea what it could be. It's going to be some kind of figure. Aw, you Power Rangers, you're cute. Oh, damn it. So now this is going to be one of them things where I have to collect them all. Look how sweet. Aww. So now I'm going to have to collect the other, I want to say 7? No, 8. Hang on. Pink, blue, red. Was that 8? God damn it, this box is testing my knowledge this month. Oh, I feel so bad. Okay, either way, I have more to collect. I do love his little power stance, but it does really look like he's being extra sarcastic and going, "Talk to the hand, you snarky little bastard." Boop. And I do believe that should be it. Oh, hang on, something wrapped up, which won't be the book. And so far I see a certificate of authenticity from DC, which you can see there. Very official. And on the front we have, oh that's cool. Okay, so we have Justice League of America in issue number 28. I do love when they do stuff like this. I spoke about this before, so some of you guys out there might know. Comics for me, I like for different reasons. I like because of the smell of them. I like because just the whole art style of them is just, I pull a lot of inspiration. Every time I see one and open it, I get so proper like passionate, like I want to make something. It's very unusual, but it's like my kind of inspirational trigger, if that's a phrase. So I don't necessarily read them, but I just keep them for the like inspirational artistic value. Then again, I do like Justice League, so I may open this and read this later, but for now I'm going to leave this sealed because it does look a little bit official, doesn't it? Plus, every time I do get something like this and I open it, there's about 50 comments instantly saying, "You've ruined it." And I do believe, yep, that's it. Okay, so we've got, as always, the Loot Crate pin. So this is November 2017 Unite 2.0. Very glorious, just to commemorate the actual crate itself. And of course we have the Loot Crate book. So this book just tells you everything that's inside the crate and a few extra facts about what's in it. So yeah, we've got the Overwatch character. We've got the Power Rangers, but hold on, 5? Was there 5 of them? I thought there was more than that. Am I going crazy? No, there was more than 5. What, there was a Green Ranger, I swear. I thought there was a White Ranger, so I can't think of it. Am I going mad? You'll receive 1 of 5 Rangers. Stay tuned if you want to collect the whole set. Oh, thank God. I really thought I was having some kind of meltdown there. Just making up memories. So I could have got any one of those. Obviously, you know which one I would have wanted, but it's fine. The dude I got is very pretty. Wait, shut right up. Hold on. Since when has there been a Hello Kitty crate? What the actual fluff? There's an actual Sanrio crate. Obviously not something you probably want to see on this channel, but that might be something I have to collect for myself later on. I know there's the anime crate, actually. That might be something. God, I could just subscribe to all the bloody crates. Every month I'll actually get a crate of crates to my door at this rate. And the last thing, of course, is to turn the Loot Crate box inside out, because it usually becomes something else. So I'm going to quickly go do that. And done. So straight away you can tell, obviously, Power Rangers. So nothing massively special, but it just makes the box look a little bit more interesting if you've got it on your shelf. Yeah, every now and again they'd turn into like little dioramas, or they become like an actual object. Like a couple of times it's become like hammers, like Thor and Harley Quinn's hammer, but other times it just makes it a pretty box. So yeah, that's November 2017's Loot Crate unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys know what I'm going to say now, but I'm going to say it anyway. If you guys did want to collect Loot Crate for yourself, I'll pop a link on the screen right here. That link will take you straight to my Loot Crate page, and if you pop in the code PinkStylist, you'll get 10% off your orders, which is pretty bloody fantastic. All of that information is also in the description bar below, I should point out. But, as I do believe I say in most of these videos, you don't have to collect it for yourself if you don't want to. You can always just come back to my video every month and watch me unbox mine. It's just nice, because now, as I believe I've been doing this for about 3 years, it's become kind of like a little tradition. It's just something to look forward to every month, and it just makes me happy. So yeah, that's my unboxing done, and I think you guys all know what I'm going to go do now. I'm going to go find Overwatch, install it, and start playing. So thanks guys so much for watching this video. Until next one, yeah. Bye guys!